Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. Today we're talking about the best electric paint sprayer for house and a tool that can truly make your painting jobs easier and faster. If you are tired of messy brushes and uneven rollers, this might be exactly what you need. Let's take a closer look at what makes this paint sprayer special. Let's get started.
Today's spotlight is on the M-Walk Electric Paint Sprayer for house. This sprayer is designed to simplify your painting tasks while giving you smooth and precise results. Whether you are painting walls, cabinets, fences, or furniture, the M-Walk Electric Paint Sprayer for house helps you get clean and even coverage without the usual stress.
One of the most useful features is the flow adjustment knob. This lets you control how much paint comes out of the sprayer. If you are working on a large wall, you can increase the flow to cover more area quickly. If you are painting edges or smaller details, you can reduce the flow for better control. This not only improves accuracy, but also reduces paint waste, which saves money and time.
Another great feature is the stepless and diversion system. This means you can freely adjust the spray size depending on your project. You can switch from wide coverage to a more focused spray when needed. It gives you the flexibility to handle different surfaces and corners with ease, helping you achieve a more professional-looking finish.
Comfort is also a big priority with the M-Walk Electric Paint Sprayer for house. It comes with an ergonomic, soft, rubberized anti-slip handle. The handle feels secure in your hand and reduces slipping while you work. More importantly, it helps reduce hand fatigue during long painting sessions. You can paint for a longer time without feeling too much strain on your wrist.
To keep performance stable, this sprayer is built with cooling vents. These vents prevent the motor from overheating, especially during extended use, so you can continue your project without worrying about the machine shutting down or losing power. This makes it reliable for bigger jobs around the house. The user-friendly switch design makes operation simple. You do not need complicated steps to start using it. Along with that, the adjustable paint shapes allow you to change spray patterns quickly. This makes it easy to move from one task to another without wasting time adjusting complicated settings.
In terms of design, the M-Walk Electric Paint Sprayer for house is compact and easy to handle. It feels balanced, not too heavy, and easy to move across different surfaces. The overall build looks solid and durable, giving you confidence that it will last through many projects.
So, if you are looking for a paint sprayer that offers adjustable flow control, flexible spray size, comfortable grip, cooling protection, simple switching, and customizable spray patterns, the M-Walk Electric Paint Sprayer for house brings all of that together in one practical tool.
This could be the upgrade your home projects need. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your budget. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.